God's goodness scriptures. Psalm chapter 100, verse 2 through 5. Be thankful. Good morning, good people. How to Be Healed TV.
It's healing time.
Psalms chapter 100, verse 2 through 5. New King James Version. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come before his presence with singing. Know that the Lord, he is God. It is he who has made us and not we ourselves. We are his people and the sheep of his pasture. Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful to him and bless his name. For the Lord is good. His mercy is everlasting, and his truth endures to all generations. We've got to get happy about being Christians. Number one, serve the Lord with gladness. It's not a good witness for us to always be talking about how hard it is not to do all of the things that the world does, how hard it is to read the Bible, how hard it is to pray, so on and so forth. And then when you enter into prayer, start by thanking God for what you do have. Gratitude, being grateful. My mom always says the grateful get a plate full. So if you're a parent, you know that your children that are thankful, happy, and are grateful for what you're doing, you're going to give them more. If you've ever been a child, you know that you were taught to say thank you for things, and that if you were observant, you understood that when you were thankful for what you already did have, it would help you get more things later. All right. For the Lord is good. That's on verse 5. So if something bad is happening, it wasn't God. God is only doing good. If something bad has happened, it means it must be Satan or somebody yielding to Satan that causes this to happen. All right. So the takeaway from this is be thankful. Make sure that we are spending as much time thanking God for the answer to prayer than all the time we spent in prayer and believing for it to happen in the first place.